People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, it's just been announced that Peter Phillips has maintained his position as the leader and the president of the People's National Party. There was a 96% turnout of the delegates who could vote in this election. Bunting won 1,351 votes. Peter Phillips received 1,427 votes. That means that Peter Phillips won by 76 votes, or just 1 percentage point. 1 percentage point, people. This is my brief analysis of this result. This result is an absolute disaster for the PNP. I'll tell you why. Two things should have happened here for either. Two things should have happened here that would make the PNP look stronger and ready to defeat the JLP next year. Either Peter Phillips should have won by a greater margin, which shows that the delegates are indeed behind him and he's the man they want. He's the man they want to stay in power and the people have confidence in him. Or Bunting should have defeated Phillips by a good enough margin that says the same for him. Because what that shows is that the party can now unify behind one leader when there is a clear support in favor of either one of them. This vote is so close that it shows that starting from tomorrow morning, Peter Phillips is going to be in a whole lot of problem, in the sense that after running such a bitter campaign, right, against Peter Bunting, at the end of the day, he barely get by on the skin of his teeth. So at least, let's call it, half of the party don't want Peter Phillips as the leader. So going into the next election, right, this is really, really bad news for the PNP. Right, Peter Phillips would now have to assemble a team of people from the same Bunting group, right, to help him win the next election. That's what people are not realizing. After all this name calling and after all this picking sides and saying people have all washed up dons on who did this and who by vote, Peter Phillips will now have to pick people out of that Bunting group. People like Mark Golding, people like Peter Bunting, people like AJ Nicholson, right? And he's now going to have to gather a team, right, out of that lot to go forward. But that team and the delegates who back those people clearly don't want him as the leader. People, the PNP are in trouble. This is not the result that is good for the PNP. It's good for Phillips in the sense that, well, at least him survive. He's still here, right? But in terms of the PNP going forward, I'm calling it right now. The next election, Peter Phillips and the PNP will be losing the next election. The only way he will have had a chance is if he had beat Bunting by a huge enough margin to now establish himself as seat. I'm the man around here. Me the people them want. Here is my 300-400 delegate difference between me and you. Go sit on one side and take a corner as a minister. That is what would have been best for Phillips. Now this is so close. This shows that the PNP delegates are not in support of Peter Phillips as the leader. When it is this close, it shows the people are not really with Phillips. He survived by the skin of his teeth. Right. The next election, unless something drastic happens, right, with Andrew Holness and the JLP, as it stands right now, the PNP are in a world of trouble. Right. People, jump in the comment section. Tell me what you think. All the people who watch my channel who are PNP, tell me what you think about this result. People, as I said, let me just recap. 96% voter turnout, extremely high, one of the highest, if not the highest ever. Right, Bunting 1,351, Phillips 1,427. He won by 76 votes or 1 percentage point. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.